Have you ever dreamed of traveling through majestic alpine landscapes aboard a train? Discover Switzerland's most scenic rail journeys and let the adventure begin. Switzerland, a land renowned for its picturesque landscapes and pristine natural beauty, offers an array of train journeys that transport passengers through a panorama of majestic vistas and serene solitude. As the train weaves through towering mountains, lush valleys, and shimmering lakes, it delivers a travel experience that is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. One of the most iconic routes is the Glacier Express, which stretches from Zurich to St. Moritz. Known as the slowest express train in the world, this 8-hour journey captivates travelers with its majestic route through the heart of the Swiss Alps. With panoramic windows, passengers can marvel at the untouched beauty of the Alps, passing over the Landwasser Viaduct and through the Rhine Gorge, often referred to as the Swiss Grand Canyon. This ride is not just a means to cross the country, but a chance to immerse oneself in the timeless charm of Switzerland's natural wonders. The Bernina Express, another jewel of Swiss rail adventures, offers a different but equally enchanting voyage. Starting from Chà, it winds its way to Tirano in Italy, encapsulating a UNESCO World Heritage route. This journey takes passengers not only through breathtaking mountain landscapes, but also offers a kaleidoscope of cultures as it descends from the icy heights of the Alps to the vibrant Italian landscapes. The train crosses the Bernina Pass, standing tall at over 2,253 meters, and glides past the gleaming glaciers and enchanting alpine environments. A ride on the GoldenPass Line connects Lucerne to Montreux, offering a bygone-era's romance. This route plunges through picturesque towns and around sparkling lakes, with the ever-imposing sight of the alpine peaks in the background. The journey can be a sensory feast as travelers sip local Swiss wines and enjoy slices of cheese, all while being comforted by the scenic views that never seem to end. For those seeking a more adventurous path, the Gotthard Panorama Express combines train and boat travel, starting in the historic city of Lucerne. This route not only promises visual delights, but also provides a glimpse into the history and culture of Swiss transport. Through winding tunnels and steep climbs, the train takes passengers to Lugano, where a luxurious boat awaits to glide across Lake Lucerne, encapsulating a classic Swiss travel experience. These train journeys in Switzerland are more than just a means of transportation. They are quintessential experiences that capture the heart and soul of the Swiss landscape. Each route is designed to showcase the natural beauty and unique geographical diversity that Switzerland possesses. They are a testament to engineering brilliance meeting nature's extraordinary canvassing, and offer an escape into serenity, perfect for those wishing to find refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you are seeking majestic mountain views or the charm of classic Swiss villages, these train journeys provide a gateway to the wonders that Switzerland holds close. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel and explore more amazing destinations with us. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive travel deals and resources to plan your next adventure. And don't miss out, watch the next video for more incredible journeys.
Did you know Switzerland has some of the world's most fascinating museums? Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is not only known for its stunning landscapes and exquisite chocolates, but also for its rich cultural offerings in the form of world-class museums. Here's a guide to the top 10 museums in Switzerland that you simply must visit to get a true sense of the country's heritage and artistic endeavors. 1. The Swiss National Museum, Zurich. Located in an impressive historical building, this museum offers extensive exhibits on Swiss cultural history, spanning from prehistoric times to the present day. Highlights include the archaeological collections and medieval artifacts. 2. The Kunsthaus Zurich. As one of the leading art museums in Europe, Kunsthaus Zurich holds an impressive array of artwork from the Middle Ages to contemporary pieces. It features works by notable artists such as Monet, Picasso, and Giacometti. 3. The Paul Klee Center, Bern. This museum is dedicated to the works of the renowned Swiss painter Paul Klee. The building itself, designed by Renzo Piano, is an architectural masterpiece, housing over 4,000 pieces of Klee's art, including paintings, drawings, and other artifacts. 4. The Museum of Fine Arts, Basel. Known as Kunstmuseum Basel, it boasts an extensive collection of art ranging from the 14th century to contemporary works. It is revered for its works by Holbein, Rembrandt, and Van Gogh. So 5. The International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum, Geneva. Explore the humanitarian work of the Red Cross and dive into its history through interactive exhibits and stirring personal stories of volunteers and recipients. 6. The Château de Chillon, Veto. While technically a castle, this museum provides a fascinating glimpse into the history of the Lake Geneva region. The beautifully preserved rooms and dungeons are steeped in medieval history and charm. 7. The Verkehrshaus der Schweiz, Lucerne. Known as the Swiss Museum of Transport, it is one of the most popular museums in Switzerland. The museum offers an engaging look at the history of transport, communication, and tourism with interactive exhibits, simulators, and a planetarium. 8. The Olympic Museum, Lausanne. Celebrate the history and spirit of the Olympic Games at this museum, featuring various multimedia exhibits and a vast collection of Olympic memorabilia. Neuschurchen, the Bieler Foundation, Riechen. Home to an extraordinary collection of modern art with works by artists such as Monet, Cézanne, and Rothko. This museum is set in a stunning building surrounded by beautiful gardens. 10. The Swiss Museum of Natural History, Geneva. Discover the natural wonders of Switzerland and beyond in this comprehensive museum, which includes impressive collections of fossils, minerals, and wildlife displays. Switzerland's museums offer a diversity that mirrors the country itself, from art and history to science and humanitarian efforts. These institutions provide visitors with opportunities to explore, understand, and appreciate the richness of Swiss culture and history. Whether you are an art enthusiast, history buff, or simply curious, there's something in Switzerland's museums for everyone. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel and explore more amazing destinations with us. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive travel deals and resources to plan your next adventure. And don't miss out. Watch the next video for more incredible journeys. Did you know that Switzerland produces some of the world's finest chocolate? But few people know the secret behind its irresistible taste. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a mesmerizing country known for picturesque landscapes, pristine lakes, and alpine ranges. Yet among its marvels, one stands out more delectable than the rest: Swiss chocolate. Renowned globally for its creamy texture and exquisite taste, Swiss chocolate traces its roots back to the 19th century, when Swiss chocolatiers revolutionized chocolate-making methods and set a high standard in the confectionery world. The journey through Swiss chocolate begins in the quaint town of Vevey, where the world-famous Cailler chocolate factory stands. Founded in 1819 by François-Louis Cailler, Cailler is Switzerland's oldest chocolate brand. Visitors to the factory are treated to an immersive experience where the history of chocolate is told through interactive displays and sampling opportunities of their world-renowned creations, including the iconic Frigor and Branch chocolate bars. Traveling further, the town of Brock awaits, where Maison Cailler, a part of Nestlé since 1929, continues to delight chocolate lovers. At Maison Cailler, the chocolate-making process is a meticulously curated tour. Visitors are taken through a sensory journey that combines the rich aroma of cocoa with the captivating sight of chocolate bars being molded and packaged. Here, connoisseurs can also engage in chocolate workshops. Continuing the chocolate pilgrimage, one must visit Läderach, situated near the pristine waters of Lake Zurich. Known for its premium fresh chocolates, Läderach brings forth a philosophy of freshness and quality. At Läderach's chocolate boutiques, visitors can savor delicate pralines and discover fresh shogi, fresh chocolate slabs adorned with an array of nuts, fruits, and decadent fillings. A journey to Swiss chocolate factories would be incomplete without a stop at Lindt and Sprüngli, an iconic name in the chocolate fraternity. Situated in Kilchberg near Zurich, the Lindt Home of Chocolate offers a grand exhibition megaplex. From the history of Lindt's legendary gold-wrapped chocolate bunnies to the mesmerizing, free-flowing chocolate fountain, Lindt offers a truly awe-inspiring glimpse into their craft. The highlight for many visitors is the chocolate tasting room, a paradise where unlimited samples beckon the taste buds. Another noteworthy destination is the city of Bern, home to Toblerone, the triangular chocolate bar with a taste as distinct as its shape. Toblerone's journey is interwoven with Swiss heritage. Finally, in the region of Appenzell, a lesser-known gem, Schogiland, a wonderland created by Maestrani, offers an engaging glimpse into family-friendly chocolate adventures. Here the story of chocolate comes to life through interactive games, tastings, and workshops, presenting the opportunity for visitors to unleash their creativity in chocolate creation. In essence, a trek through Switzerland's chocolate factories is more than just a sensory voyage. It is an homage to the creativity, passion, and artistry of Swiss chocolatiers. Through history-rich narratives and lush, creamy delicacies, Swiss chocolate offers a timeless journey, one that captivates not only the palate, but also the heart. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel and explore more amazing destinations with us. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive travel deals and resources to plan your next adventure. And don't miss out. Watch the next video for more incredible journeys.